Welcome to Festool TV. My name is Frank, and today I want to show you how to mount several accessories with the guide rail. Here I have mounted the parallel stop to the rail. I use it to work on big plates or to cut equal strips. Now I will show you how this works. Here I have mounted these parallel stops with clamping devices. Then the rail is put on the plate. With the green wheel, the parts are centered, tightened, and aligned on both sides to these stops. I have the option to cut strips until a width of 65 centimeters. The problem is the following. If I worked with a conventional measuring tape, dimensional tolerances would occur. By using these parallel stops, I can prevent this. The rail is fixed with clamping screws at the bottom. In this example, I work with 300 millimeters, so 30 centimeters. Now I place my circular saw. I have already set the depth to 30 centimeters. Now I can cut the plate. You see a strip of wood which has the length of 30 centimeters. Now the rail is loosened and just moved onto the wood plate. Now we position again. I have a strip which is equally wide all over already. I handle problematic, very thin strips in the range of, for example, 8 or 5 centimeters as follows. Oder gar 65 cm, sondern möchte hier 8 cm oder 5 cm streifen. Dann gehen wir folgendermaßen vor. Wir drehen die ganze I turn the whole guide rail around its longitudinal axis. Schieben hier ebenfalls wieder auf unsere Platte. Now I loosen the two small stops. Anschläge, sodass wir hier diese Anschläge jetzt and mount them in the front, right here. Now I have the option to clamp the stops in a range of up to 230 millimeters. And I do the same on the other side. Now I have a thin strip. Here an example with 80 millimeters. The guide rail is fixed again, and I cut with a circular saw. Once again, the same from the other side. Und mit der Ankreissäge geschnitten. Jetzt natürlich von der anderen Seite, von der Seite hier, tauchen wir ein. We have already cut a strip with a width of 8 centimeters. That goes so fast and easy. Especially for big plates, the guide rail is a big helper in the workshop or at the construction site. However, that's not all. I have another helper for you. Our so-called gecko. Gecko is a dual suction lifter. I can easily lift and transport material like glass plates or painted surfaces. Or I can connect the gecko with an adapter to our guide rail.
verbinden, mit dem Schraubendreher dann anziehen und mit unserem Doppelsaugheber ebenfalls verbinden. Das heißt, jetzt
I screw down the whole thing here, once at the front and once at the back. Now I have a unit. Now I can place my dual suction lifter on my plate or on any even surface and adhere it.
Horizontal stehenden Flächen, die den Doppelsaugheber platzieren und festsaugen. Und schon habe ich hier meine Führungsschiene fest. Egal welche Position ich möchte, kann ich hier dann arbeiten. Entweder mit der
I already have a fixed guide rail, but now, for example, I can work with my circular saw or with a router.
Diese Adapterplatte kann ich hier in Flächen, in großen Flächen durch diese Halterung Teile reinfräsen. Jo, das war's mal wieder von Festool TV. Ich hoffe, ihr habt ein bisschen Spaß gemacht.
That's it again for Festool TV. I hope you've enjoyed it. See you next time. Yours, Frank.